Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw and color a shell with a pearl. So friends, let's get begin. I start with the bottom like this. And I decorated it like this. I finished the shell like this. Now friends, here I'm drawing the beautiful pearl. I draw the big eyes of pearl and some eyelashes on it. And two cheeks. Here I'm drawing the smiley mouth of pearl. Very good. Now friends, it's time to play with the marker. So friends, let's come and play with me. Now friends, it's time to color. I take rainbow colors for the shell. First, I take light green. Then I take orange. Now here I take red.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a camel, E-I-E-I-O. With a grunt grunt here and a grunt grunt there, here a grunt, there a grunt, everywhere a grunt grunt. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a
Now
farm,
I take yellow.
E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Lastly, I
And on
take
that
light
farm he
blue
had a
to
horse,
color the shell.
E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Now friends, it's time to color the mouth of the pearl. So I take red here.
With a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a
And the
moo,
second
there a
color
moo,
I take
everywhere a
is
moo moo.
dark
Old
pink.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
It's time to color the cheeks of the bird. So I take light pink. Yes.
E-I-E-I-O. And on that with a bleat bleat here and a bleat bleat there. Here a bleat, there a bleat,
To
everywhere
color the
a bleat
inside
bleat.
shell,
Old
I
MacDonald
did
had a
light
farm.
pink.
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken. E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Lastly, I take
E-I-E-I-O.
purple.
And on that farm he had a donkey. E-I-E-I-O. With a bray bray here and a bray bray there. Here a bray, there a bray, everywhere a bray bray. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Finally, I added some wavy lines with this marker in the background.
The hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Oh, little 6. Tock, tick, tock. Hickory dickory dock.
A little bit of dark blue.
Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. Tick to my Lou, my darling. Flies in the
I love it. So friends, if you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any of our update. This is Sutaba signing off until my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.